Yo, what is up guys? My name is Top Secret R35 and welcome back to the channel. Today, special video. I am going to be spending 24 hours with a Toyota Supra MK5. I think it's an A90, I'm not 100% sure. It is a launch edition. It's not standard, 425 horsepower from tune and an exhaust. So you can imagine that your boy is pretty excited over here. This is not GTA, this is not Forza. It's not a video game, so it's going to be really fun. Weather's a bit weird. It's a little bit rainy, but nothing out of the ordinary. So in a second, you guys will see it. Holy smokes, guys. If this, oh my goodness, man. This is going to be one hell of 24 hours. This thing is gorgeous. Now look, it's only a slight upgrade for me because my daily driver is also a Toyota. So, this might be a little bit of a squeeze initially. All right, I'm in. Move the seat a little bit back. All right, move the seat a little bit down as well. Oh my goodness. No freaking ways. Small rev. Oh my god. Alright guys, I don't have a proper way to like mount the camera right now, but I am going to be driving with other people here soon. But I didn't want to not capture my first little moment, so I'm backing out right now. Let's see what happens. I did text the owners if the steering wheel adjustment is possible. It's kind of low right now. I can't really see a way to adjust that, but I'll be fine. Alright, so far so good. Not out the parking lot yet either. And my hands are touching my knees as I turn the steering wheel. Woo! Woo! We're driving! Oh man! That wasn't even quarter throttle. It's so flippin' beautiful! Oh man, this is something else, man. Oh, okay guys, I just made it to my first stop here. My squash club. It's called Bow Squash, and I gunned it once, right? I went through 2 gears and holy crap, man. At first I was like, this thing doesn't kick that hard, you know. I've driven a Camaro SS, I've driven a GTR before, and it doesn't kick that hard. But once you hit 2 gears, that torque kicks in. So anyway, the plan is now I'm gonna play some squash, and then I've got 2 friends, the owners of the squash club's kids, that I'm gonna take for a drive. And then later on, I'll take my other friend that I work with for a drive, and then it's date night with my wife. So I'm gonna have a lot of time with this car. All right, so let's get going. All right, bro, you ready to go?
Let's do it.
All right. First guest of the day, my buddy Nate. All right, get in, bro. I'll pass the camera to you once we're in. There you go. Oh, jeez. Sometimes being tall helps. Today's not one of those days, huh?
Also, technically, I'm not the first ride of the day.
Oh yeah, I took your dad for a ride. Yeah. He loved it. The AC
That's why I was asking if you could drift, because I was like, oh, how was it? And he was like, oh, we did so much crazy stuff. We were drifting, we were doing donuts, and I was like, no, you're fucking...
Your dad is speaking absolute nonsense. Trust me, it is not something I would do. Alright man, let's get going. Just a quick...
I'm going to get that nice POV.
A nice quick one around the block, yeah. I actually got to be home at 11:50, Danica. Let's go to yoga. Still got a lot of time. That's so sick. Actually, you know what? Let's go this way, yeah.
You want to just sit in the Tesla parking lot and just rev your engine for a while? Holy.
Small taste there.
Yeah.
Small taste. Give you a proper taste over here.
Is it fun on the highway?
No, I don't mess around on the highway.
But like
60 miles per hour.
I know, but going 60 miles an hour. Because obviously we were going fast there, but we were probably only going, what, like 35? Holy! That's sick.
Pretty nice, huh?
Damn.
Feels so planted as well, very safe.
Yeah.
Like anything's going
You
wrong.
like really push
controls.
back in your seat.
Traction control really helps.
Damn.
Turn it off.
So it's a nice little starter.
Exactly.
Get your feet wet. And you can cut that part out if you want to act like on YouTube, like you do actually own it.
No, it's fine.
What's up, guys? It's me, Top Secret R35. Just came back from the dealership. Holy!
They know already I won't be playing video games all day if I had a Supra.
I got that sick YouTube money. I got another like $25 check from YouTube.
Exactly.
You got any fun plans for the day?
My buddy Tanner, and then I'm gonna take Tanner out for dinner.
Nice. Holy! Jeez. What's the 0 to 60 on it?
I don't know, but it seems really fast.
It seems really fast. It's faster than my Jeep, I'll tell you that much. Damn.
Oh, I told him I would.
Alright, you ready to go?
The weather's so weird today.
Gotta make sure when you were getting in the car, you have to do a montage with that.
A montage of what? Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Alright, yeah. Off to you. Go for it. I'll hand this to you. Don't worry, you're not like you have to be like professional cameraman or anything. Just
So pretty.
just
Thank you.
53,000 brand new.
Just a bit impractical, he says as he wedges himself in the chair.
That was good timing. That was unplanned as well.
Damn.
Pretty cool, huh? So,
I do not, but you can drive however you want to drive.
no. I'll test your tolerance.
I'm like, going fast is different than being like upside down and going up and down in a...
You make a good point.
Like I'm like, I can...
Forces are in one direction.
I can rappel down a 65-foot wall and be okay with it.
Oh yeah. So you're kind of used to this.
Yeah,
Adventure sports type of thing.
yeah. Especially depending on who's lowering me on the rope. Some people are a little too speedy with it.
Let you fall all the way.
No one's ever done that to me, but
Alright, you ready?
yes.
Here's a small taste.
Oh my god, I love it. Jesus.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh my god.
Oh man, it's so flippin' nice. Yeah, I'm gonna turn you into a car person.
Honestly, I'm like, I've never been like that into like,
You're gonna put Stance Nation in the back of your camera.
I've never been that into cars, but I'm like, even just from the interior, I'm like, this is so fancy.
It's fun looking around a bit more.
I love it.
It's the first time I make a vlog as well. I was like, I don't want to, but then I'm like, I owe it to myself, even if I don't make a video, just to record it.
Yeah, at least you have the footage. Like, how often are you gonna do this?
Yeah, exactly.
And get all the POVs of people you take for a ride. Oh my god, I love it. Literally, like when we do the 5Ks and you and Nate would start kicking it in and race at the end.
Yeah.
I'm like, my legs are fucking dead, bro.
So back to reality now. Back at home. On my way in the daily to go pick up some groceries with my kid here in the back, Top Secret R36. Just look how beautiful that thing is, man. Oh my word, pulling out here. I could definitely get used to that view instead of the Corolla. Ooh, boy, oh boy. I can definitely confirm that a Toyota Supra with 425 horsepower is slightly more exciting than a Volkswagen Tiguan. Alright guys, back in the Supra where I belong. About to go pick up my work buddy. So obviously he's also into cars. We're always talking about cars and stuff. So I owe it to him always listening to me talk about cars, to take him for a ride in the Supra.
Sick ride, dude.
What do you think, huh?
You rolled up quiet.
Yeah, I don't want to make too much of a noise. You ready to go for a drive?
Want a Gatorade?
Sure. Thanks. Well, I know I've never really been here before, so congrats on the new house.
Thanks.
I don't know why I expected it to be like further away from the road or something like that. I don't know if it's the photos or something like that.
I'm a terrible videographer.
That's okay. You want a little taste?
Yeah, why not?
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, those pops. Yeah, dude. This interior is tight.
Dude, I was telling everybody, this is like really nice Toyota quality, I'll tell you that much. I know, I read like reviews online that they were talking that this got the inside has like bad like plasticky parts or something. I don't know.
I hear that a
don't think
lot
I care
nowadays
about
with
that.
a lot of them, and you know,
Yeah.
it's hard to get away from some plastic
Yeah.
parts.
What are you looking for, Flippin'?
It's real fiber.
Looking for a Rolls Royce or something? Like,
Right.
just chill.
Launch Edition.
Yeah, only 1,500 of these, but in the spec. Like the red leather.
Flying down the country road, you know, and then it's like, you come over that hill, it's like, oh, there's the turn. Yes.
Oh, so sick, huh? Oh, shit. Hello, wife.
Wow. How do I get in here?
Legs first. Well, what do you think?
I don't think it fits car seats. Can you see? That just moved.
Yeah, I don't know why it goes so low, but I can see. So date night, huh? You ready?
Let's go.
Date night in the Toyota Supra.
Okay, everyone, if you like the content, go ahead and drop a heart and a comment down below. So appreciate your
You're
support.
doing really good. You want a little taste on that?
Be safe. Oh my god, stop, stop, no, I don't like that.
Alright, so that's the end of the performance driving holiday. Okay, you can just push stop. You can record later on again. And it is raining, huh?
Ah,
You made it though?
we made it.
Oh my goodness. Nice date night.
Nice date night.
Alright.
What was the golf score?
We tied!
54-54.
Some BS, right? Well guys, the time with the Toyota Supra is coming to an end. I am now on the way back to Squash to do some training. We actually have a tournament in a month, so I'll take it over there. And after that, well, it's back to the renters. Well guys, as I do my final walk around and say goodbye to the Supra, reality sets in. Man, that was a fun 24 hours. Now, I don't know if you'll know, but I live in Minnesota, right? So, you know, do I really want to own this car? I don't know. It's kind of just some sort of the adult in me thinking about it, but boy, did I have fun. But, you know, the Corolla, it ain't that bad.